On a video, starting with this one. Bring me your squeaky. Okay, let mommy have the squeaky. I love you though. Hi, welcome to Fiber Love Diary. We're not in my usual filming place today, but there's Luther. How are you guys? What are you up to? I was at the knit shop today, and when I came home, guess what was on my doorstep? So if you're new here, and it seems like every month there's a lot of new people, I get this box sent to me from Paradise Fibers every month. It is a spinning subscription box, and I also buy a box and give it away. If you would like to enter to win this box, all you have to do is leave a comment on a video, starting with this one. Bring me your squeaky. Until the last video before the next box shows up. So it always starts with the unboxing. I hope that makes sense. At the end of this video, I'll pick a winner for the June box, which was pretty amazing. It's July 2020. I know the theme has something to do with mermaids and then also something else. So I'm hypothesizing, I don't know, sea silk maybe? I don't know. Squid ink to dye? Probably not. At the end of this video, I will pick a winner for the June box. I am super excited. I finished the June box and it went up yesterday, so that's perfect timing. I love it. Let's open it. So I think most of America is in a heat wave right now, which is fine. I love summer. I couldn't wait, but our pool is 90 degrees, you guys, and we don't heat it. It's in the sun all day, so it's just really, really hot. Okay, I'm so excited. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Woo! Okay. Okay, so, ooh. I don't want to say too much. Wow, there is a huge list of stuff in here. There is a little explanation of the merfolk legend. I don't think I'm supposed to read this to you. I'm not exactly sure, but we're gonna set it right here. Look, there's glitter. You know I love the glitter ones. And I'm always a sucker for aqua, always. Ready? Okay. Oh, cute. Okay, so this says 3 ounces of Mermaid, a multicolor textural cone top consisting of 65% merino, 5% Angelina glitz, 5% viscous tweed, 25% silk. And it says mulberry, tussa, and recycled sari. Oh my gosh. Oh, wow. This 1000% looks like the scales on a mermaid's tail, like I picture it to be. I've never actually seen one in person. Look at this. Oh, I hope you can really see. Oh, there, how pretty it is. I'm gonna get some light on it. Oh. Oh my goodness. I gotta take this a little bit apart so you can see better. Oh, look how beautiful that is. Cynthia is gonna pee her pants. Oh, Luther is right on the table too. Okay. Oh, I was right. 3 ounces of undyed sea cell fiber, a cellulose fiber produced from the pulp of seaweed in a coral print organza bag. So we did get some sea cell. And this comes from seaweed. I think as I just said, oh, it is so soft. I'm getting ready to work on a video where I'm going to dye a bunch of different plant fibers, so this is perfect. I don't have any sea cell. It is 3 whole ounces of this. That's a lot of sea cell. Wow. I'm gonna put it really close so you can really see. That's really, really nice. 150 yard spool of sequin string with an attached threader. All right, how do I get in this bit? Oh, here, there's tape. Oh, this is gonna be so fun. Look at that. What? Can you really see? There, that looks like it got in focus. Oh, not only is it sequin string, it's holographic sequins. Talk about mermaid scales. So look at this on top of this. Okay, I'm getting a little too excited. Dial it back, Trish. Okay, I got it. 1 Mermaid place marker acrylic charm. The charm has a protective film on the front of it to prevent scratching and can be removed. Okay. Oh my god, it's like a shrimp. It's cute. Look. Look how adorable it is. Oh my gosh. Is that not the cutest? If you look really closely, I don't know if you'll be able to see it on video, but Eunice's face is like very faintly in there. Eunice, our sheep logo, has returned as a shimmering holographic vinyl sheep sticker mermaid named Mermaid. Eunice has been gone a while. I do understand. Eunice has been gone a while. I do understand. Oh, look, she's holographic. Oh my god, get out. Cotton candy saltwater taffy in here. So I even get something sweet, like I really need that, but thank you. Wow, this box is amazing this month. I cannot wait, and I have so much stuff I'm supposed to get on, but I might have to just ignore all of it and get right on my Paradise box. Is that wrong? If that's wrong, I'll probably never be right. That's the truth of it. If that's wrong, I'm probably never gonna be right. Look at how cute this is lovely this month. It says that their friends over at Shocked have put together a helpful video on YouTube demonstrating one way to incorporate sequins into your yarn without the glimmering bits sliding around on you. So there is a video that comes with this box. I don't think it's available to the whole world, so I can't give you that, but it just has to do with using the sequin thread along with your fiber. And then also there is some explanation and some information about the sea cell fiber. So it says, I didn't know this, sea cell fiber is known for helping to fight dermatitis and psoriasis by limiting inflammation, soothing itchiness, remineralizing, detoxifying, and purifying the skin. Wow, that's crazy. Thank you, Paradise. This month's box was amazing, and it's like all the colors that I love. Although, honestly, I kind of love all the colors and just some more than others. Look, there's my wheel. That's exactly where this is probably going to get spun because that wheel is currently empty. So thank you so much. I am so excited. And you guys, it's time to give away the June box.
Okay, so last month there were 5 videos, starting with the last unboxing through the video before. And number 3 is the video, and it is the finishing dish towels video.
Lynn, you won. So all you have to do is send me your snail mail address to neverendingknitnight@gmail.com. And you said, I knew you would say that you like the white and coral best. Me too. I have to wait a month for the waffle weave. You tease. Kidding, they look great. Well done. I bought all the same colors as you used on the little dishcloths, but it took me a while. I can't wait to make them. Dish towels will follow. Thank you, Trish, and I hope your flooding woes are now behind you for good. Gosh, Lynn, me too. Congratulations, Lynn. I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye.